6, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 3, 6, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 3, 6.
But I said, I was
all right, let's do that first part together. 5,
about the
6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right, left, cha cha cha, left, right, cha cha cha. 12, 3, 6, 3. DJ, give me a little music. Turn it up. Hey, I hear that. Turn it up, DJ.
Out there, where the fans at? Where the fans at? Where the fans at?
Going around 6, right foot, cha cha, right, left, cha cha cha, left, right, cha cha cha, 12, 3, 6, 3, cross, right over left, step out, left, cross, left over right, step, all right?
That's the first thing I came.
So let's do that again, cross, right over left, 1, point out 2, cross, left over right, 3, point out right, 4. So you going 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody got that? Let's see you do it. 5. I am. I'm going to do it again. 5, 6. Right over left cross. Right point cross. Left point. Try it again. 5, 6. 5, 6. Right over left cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the chocolate flannel salon dance classes, I teach terminology. I teach Carroll, because it's more than boots on the ground. There's a whole lot of dance. Come to our classes, free every Tuesday. Right here in George State, 11 and 12 seniors. Stay over for lunch. Talk to me about it. We don't even feed you. How about that? All right. From the beginning, 5, 6, 5, 6, right foot, cha cha, go right, left, cha cha cha, left, right, cha cha cha, 12, 3, 6, 3, cross, point, cross, point. Okay, let's stop. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, go right, left, cha cha cha, left, right, cha cha cha, 12, 3, 6, 3, cross, step, cross, step. Now, next step, right foot. Next step, I'm going to show you how to do a rocking chair. You're going to rock up. We just going to rock. Rock up and back. Up, back. Up, back. Up, back. Let's take it from the top. And then we're going to add that rocking chair. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right, left, cha cha cha, left, right, cha cha cha, 12, 3, 6, 3. Cross, step, go up. That's your rocking chair. You're going to make a quarter turn to your right. Now, if you're one of the people that get dizzy, I'm going to put a modification, so I ain't forgot about you. All right, so let's do this from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left. Triple step, left, right, cha cha cha, 12, 3, 6, 3, cross, step, go up, quarter turn with a cha cha cha. Let's do that part again. Let's start from the cross. Start from the cross. 5, 6, 5, 6, and go. Cross, step, up, quarter turn with a cha cha cha. DJ, give us some music. We gonna take it from the top.
Out there, you ready? Where the fans at? Where the
with a cha-cha-cha. Left, half turn. So you're gonna go up, turn, cha-cha-cha. So you rock up, go backwards, turn. Left, right, left. Do that again. Left foot, rocking chair. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up quarter, with a half turn, cha-cha-cha. So let's do the right one first. The first one is a quarter turn. The second one is a half turn. In the chocolate club, so I dance classes. I teach directional, so you know where to go. All right, let's do the cross step. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, point, go up, quarter turn, cha, 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 back, and turn, cha, cha, cha. And then you're gonna walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, and
I can't see you all the way back.
Okay, all right, so I'm going to do it all 4 corners. This is what we call a 4-wall dance. Some instructors may not tell y'all about directional and 4-wall dances, but I teach my students how to line dance. Other dances than just boots on the wall, on the ground. It's on the wall of it. All right, so let's start it again. We're going to go all the way around. Catch up the best you can. 5, 6 from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right, left. Cha, cha, cha. Left, right. Cha, cha, cha. 12, 3, 6, 3. Cross, step. Go up for the turn. Cha, cha, cha. Go back and turn. Cha, cha, cha. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get to